Okay, I just got through putting a running capacitor on this old R22 system here. This is up at Hughes Market. Here's the standing pressure. So it don't look like it's gonna be bad on Freon. He might not need no Freon, but I'm going to go in there and cut it on now and let him run some. Yep. Saturday afternoon up at Hughes Market. Good to go, Steve? Oh, okay. Oh, Mr. Brown. Okay. I'm gonna get Lee to change this filter too. I'm gonna get him changed. It looks like it's about to need change. Okay, y'all, here it is. Here. Automatic. Cool. It's got it set at 81. What? So run that down some. Okay. Okay, let's go back here and see what it cut on. There we go, y'all. There goes nothing. Wow, look at that. It came right on. Check the pressures on it. Yep, she's a little low. I'm gonna let Lee see that. She's a little low. Let her run for a while to see what you blend out. Well, this is the air conditioner I just fixed here. It's on now. Doing pretty good, putting out pretty good. Lee? This vent here is on that other air conditioner. It ain't tied to the one I just gauged out. Damn. The rest of them doing pretty good. We're gonna let that stay right there. Well, so much for this. We're gonna get ready to get up out of here. We got him down pretty good, and so we're gonna ready to get up out of here. Alright, TikTokers, Facebook fans, y'all be good till the next time. Like I said, you know, I'm finna get ready to get out of here, and everything looks good. Hey man, what's going on? So we finna get ready to get out of here. We had a huge market, so like I said, he was a little low on Freon, but we ain't gonna mess with that. Ain't no use messing with it. Just leave it alone. All right. Till next time, see y'all later.